Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. Friends, in previous video, we have learned the method of making text file by our PHP command inside our PHP folder. And in this video, I will tell you the method of validation, the URL and validation of our email. So first of all, I will duplicate this page. I go inside my file and I click over save as, and I will give it a name, filters.php. I save it and I have deleted all the data which was inside the PHP syntax. So I come to my Chrome browser and open that filters.php file page. Now you can see that this page has been opened and it is totally blank. So now I will go to my Notepad++ code editor. First of all, I will make a form. Form start and form close. Now I give a action is equal to double quotes filters dot php, the file name space method is equal to double quotes post. Here I make an input tag, input space type is equal to double quotes text, input type text, name is equal to double quotes email. I assign it a name email. I make one more input tag, input space type is equal to double quotes submit, and I assign a name to it, submit now. Name submit and value is equal to double quotes submit now. Now I come out of this form and come inside my PHP syntax, and here I make the basic if statement. So now I go the fences, inside the fences of if, and I write here is set, make two more fences, and make the global variable $_post, because I have given the method post, square brackets, single quotes, and write the name submit. Now I go inside the curly brackets, press enter, and I make a variable on the name of $email is equal to $_post, square brackets and semicolon to close, single quotes, email, and I write here once again if statement, if parentheses and curly brackets, and inside this if I write filter underscore where. I make parentheses once again, and inside these parentheses I will call $email variable, comma, and in all the capital words now I will write filter underscore validate underscore email. Now I go inside the curly brackets and echo double quotes and semicolon to close. I make two h2 tags, h2 start and h2 close, and inside it I write email is valid and okay. Now I also use the else statement. Else curly brackets echo double quotes and semicolon to close, h2 start and h2 close, email is not valid. Control S to save. Now I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh this page. And here I will write some email address, and if I submit, I press the submit button, then you can say that email is valid and okay. But if I write here the wrong email address, this is my email address, and if I change it in spite of gmail.com, now if I submit it, then you can say it will show that email is not valid. So in this way you can validate the user email, so users cannot submit the wrong email address. So friend, in the same way you can also validate the URL, the website URL. So validating for the website URL, I come back to my Notepad++ and I will first give it a name URL, and second I make the variable on the name of URL, and here too I write URL. It is the submit where I given it a name submit, and I also wrote submit, and this is the main URL name which I wrote here. Now I will tell you the second amendment. Here too I will call the $URL because I have changed the variable. I mean, this is the variable. And here too, in spite of email, I will write URL, and here too I will write URL. And here also I will change URL. Now Control S to save, and if I come here and refresh the page, so you are watching that there is a error show. Now it has been refreshed rightly. So if I write here the URL of my website, http://computerfever.com. So it is the right URL, and if I submit it, URL is valid and okay. And if I put the wrong URL here, like simple computer fever, and I submit, then you can see it will show the message URL is not valid. So friend, in this way you can validate the email address of user, and you can also validate the URL. I hope you would have understood this video. I see you in next video.